Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro Japanese Yen for 18th March 2021. So this analysis is for 18th March only. You will be seeing me tomorrow again with the analysis for 19th March. And do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist if you want to check out the analysis of other currency pairs. So you can see that right now market is trading at 130.11, and the, the good news is that market is still in an uptrend, and most importantly the market is still respecting the support of 50 moving average. You can see here that I have mentioned 50 MA as the support, because the 50 ms is 50 moving average is still a valid support for market. Okay, and as I always say, trading on a trending market is easier in comparison to other markets, and in an uptrend market we just need to find the area of value. In an uptrend market, the area of value is always near the support. So here, where should we buy then? We should be buying near the 50 moving average. That's it. So just wait for the market. Okay, right now market is coming down. Wait. So wait for the market to come down to 50 moving average and take support. Once market hits the 50 moving average, just observe the price. Okay, once you see that the price is getting rejection from below, okay, or the price is being rejected from downside, or you see a hammer kind of a pattern, candlestick pattern, hammer kind of a candlestick pattern. Okay, sorry for the bad drawing. Or a beautiful green candle like this, or a bullish engulfing pattern, then these are the confirmation that yes, the 50 moving average is still a valid support for the market, and that's the best position to execute the buy order. Simple. Okay, so this is a trending market, so not much complication. Just wait for the market to hit the 50 moving average, and once you get a confirmation that the support is still valid, just buy. Simple. So simple strategy then. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Good luck, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.